Hello, welcome to another episode of Reddit Stories. This time we are looking at a success story about making money on the internet. Ensure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel at the end of the video. It all started with affiliate marketing 5 years ago. Tried social marketing agency, drop shipping, faceless content creation, crypto and day trading digital products. I ran many ads, lost thousands of dollars. This is what I learned. I was always getting immediately drawn to any and every video on the internet about this new way people make easy money in. And every time I would immediately get screwed over after starting this new way on how it's a lot harder and how much effort it really needs. And after a few weeks, I would give up before seeing any results. In one of the hustles I was trying, I hired an editor to create some videos. And this was a turning point for me. The editor mentioned how he was making $1,000 per month with creating content. And when I asked him about his journey, he mentioned that he didn't earn any money in the first 7 months. And this was a complete turning point to me. I ended up giving faceless content creation another shot along with digital products, and now I make around $2.6K per month across multiple accounts after being completely dedicated to them. Now, looking back, I probably would have found similar success in any of the niches I tried had I just been dedicated to them for long enough. So if you want to take away some value from this post is ignore all the people advertising their easy ways to make money and write all your options to what hustle to start on a piece of paper along with pros and cons for each and choose one after careful consideration and just purely focus on it and don't get distracted. Always remember, a jack of all trades is a master of none. This is your only way to make any money in this competitive world. Just focus on one thing and master it and ignore anyone talking about this new way to make any money, including comments under this post.